Good morning, Philippines!
You did. You ate your tin. You did. What do you want now? What do you need now? We're gonna go get the bonesy. Okay, come, let's get the bonesy. Come here. Follow me. Come here, follow me. Come. Stay over there, okay? You wait over there. You wait. I get you bonesy, okay? Roxy? You stay over there. I'll get you bonesy. What a good girl. You wait over there. I'll give you some bonesy. You sit up for mama? Can you stay there? Stay. Can you sit up? Good girl. You sit up. Sit up. Good girl. Good girl. That's a good girl. Good morning. Pasensya na. Ito pa rin yung suot ko. Good morning guys. Umulan. Kasi may bagyo sa Texas, or New Orleans. Pero malayo man siya, pero umulan dito. Hello everything again. Magluluto tayo ng breakfast habang natutulog yung asawa natin. Natutulog. Humihilig, magluluto tayo nito. Scrambled egg din. Onion lang yung hinahanap ko. Ang daming watermelon guys. Oh. Ang dami. Meron pa yung half niyan andun sa baba. Han? Baby.
Yeah.
Breakfast na, baby love. Breakfast. Come here, food is ready. And then you can go back to bed again if you want. Yeah, you can use that too. Is it been raining the whole time? Like since what time? Last night?
Well, yeah, but not well.
When I heard the rain, I said, "Oh my
Early
God,
morning.
the window." That's why I got up because of the window.
Fine.
Upstairs, I went in the bathroom area. I was lying down in your office. Roxy is like this, picking. Put step in. Slowly. Like you're looking at me. Step in. Look at me, say, out. She is afraid I need to go in there, which is good. Do you think it's good? The two dogs afraid to go inside the office. It's not afraid. It's just not. They're not used to it.
They've not been allowed.
Yeah, they're not allowed over there. But Misty is very, different because every night when there is a gate, she get in there. Like she get in, her body fits in that teeny tiny gate and eat the leftover of the cat. Hi, sleepyhead. Sleepyhead, tignan nyo guys. Hi, sleepyhead. Hoy, you're closey your eyes. You know what? Dada said I am going to give you a nice blanket. So I guess I'm going to put a nice blanket for my boy. I'm going to put a nice blanket for my little bug. Because Dada requested a blanket for my boy. I said, can you give our son a nice blanket? A soft one. Because this one is not soft. I mean, it's soft, but it's different. I said, give him a nice one. Oh, what a spoiled boy. Dada loves you, huh? Dada loves you. Iiwan na naman ako ni Mr. Cupido. Punta na naman siya sa isang bahay. Kasi yung asawa ng kapatid niya papunta doon and mag-ano lang sila, maghakot at saka magtapo ng mga basyore. Where are you? Upstairs. Oh, I told your son, Dada requested for me to give you a nice soft blanket because you're so spoiled. And he just do like this. Thank you. Thank you.
Finally, somebody pay attention.
Yeah, Dada. Leaving me? You want to eat something?
No,
Han, you're gonna get hungry later.
I'm gonna be fine.
Yeah, because there are Taco Bells over there.
There is Taco Bell there.
Hey, try to bring that thing, huh? Because I need to clean up next the garage and I need that, okay?
Hi, everything. Bye, everything.
He's
See
leaving.
you later, everything.
Later that same evening.
And wala pa si Tommy. And then may storm na paparating. So malakas na yung ulan ngayon. And also, ibaba natin ito para hindi lilipad. So ngayon, I have to make sure na walang lilipad kasi mamaya daw mas lalakas pa daw yung ulan. At itapon natin itong basura bago makita ni Tommy. Kasi this is been 10 years old na boots, dalawa. Well, isang Paris, 10 years old na ito, boots niya. Paborito niyang boots. Actually, meron siyang bago, dalawa. Okay, meron siyang bago, dalawa. Hindi niya palaging sinusuot, obviously. But ito yung pinakamaana. Kinikip niya. Alam niyo, itapon ko. Sabihin niyo, ba't tinapon mo? Ganun. Alam niyo, Tommy, lahat ikikip niya. And then, so sabi ko, wag na dong. Wag mo akong ilad-ilarin dong. It will be stormy later. So now, I just want to make a salad. That when Tommy decide to come home, I have salad for him. He loves salad. This is his favorite pagkain in the world. Pagkain in the world. Pagka-Bisaya na Tagalog naman good. Ay nga naman good na good. This one right here is so scared of everything. Everything. Scared of everything. What are you worried about? Oh my God, nagsishake man talaga ba? Oh, nagsishake. Okay, let's go up. Don't be shaky. Hindi nga ako natapos sa filming room ko sa dito. I-unplug ko muna to. Unplug. Takot talaga to, eh. Nagtatago. Alam nyo guys kung saan ito nagtatago? Sa laundry area. At saka pag lalabas kami, gusto niyang sa sasakyan. Gusto niyang umalis dito sa bahay. Mga babies ko ay, tapos na ako dito nag-vacuum. Which is good for now. May kasi guys, may storm na dadaan dito. Saka ito, every time may storm. Alam nyo guys, pag iiwan to, and then umulan at bumagyo at saka ganon, magpapanik ito. At saka kung walang tao, sus Ginoo ko, magka-heart attack itong baby ko eh. Magka-heart attack ito. Mama, mahiga with mama. Sabi pa ni Tommy, this bed is for our son. For the little boy. Yes. You know what Dada said? This is for you. Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. What's on?
No, what's going on with you? I'm here upstairs.
You're upstairs. What are you doing upstairs?
Sleeping with the boy.
Oh, okay.
And Roxy is like scared of the thunder and stuff. Ito is sobrang baby. Pagtingnan nyo. Oh, I have my own bed. I have my own bed. Thank you, Mama and Dada. Enjoy your bed. You can have your stuffed toy here. Look. You know, Grandma has this stuffed toy. This is Grandma. Oh. Okay, you can have that toy. Let me get this thing. You can have that toy in your bed. What a lucky boy. You have your own bed. You have your own toy. What a lucky boy. What are you doing? What kind of position is that? What a lucky boy you are. Look. What a lucky boy. Oh, lucky babag. Hello guys! So ngayon, kakain tayo. Kain tayo guys. And yung ulam natin is lato. Lato. And then, rice. And it's already 7:30 na ng gabi. And may storm pa. So yun. And ito siya, pork at saka rice. Yun lang. At saka yung suka natin, kung saan natin isaw-saw, is sukang piniakurat siya. Piniakurat. It's already 12 o'clock ng gabi, guys. He just got home. 12 o'clock. Nagising kaming lahat. Oh my goodness. I've been talking to him when he's driving and he's just like yapping and yapping. So, yan, guys. So, it's a late. He got home very late. And I'm going to sleep because I'm very sleepy na. And Han?
My little man.
Okay na. You eat something, right?
Say hello to the camera, Hobbs. Hobbs, can you say, hi, everything? Say, I think, hi, everything. Hi. Hi.
Okay, Han, we're gonna say good night.
Hi, guys.
Good night, good morning. It's already 12:10. Anyway, so yun, kakauwi na late. Iwan ko na lang.
You're so very,
Grabe.
you're such a very little man.
He's so happy, honey, see you. Ang kasama niya yung brother-in-law kasi niya, grabe. Nag-stop sila, nagtrabaho doon, 9:30. Nag-ano sila, naglinis sa isang bahay. Silang dalawa. Binilisan nila, anyway. Tulog na ako, guys. Good night, guys.